The trust factor has to be very strong, and that's the reason PATEL has stuck with the brand for past over a decade.
The entire package, right from the styling of the product to its functionality and the quality, I guess it's a complete package.
ESSCO as a brand, it's a product for an affordable segment.
What sets ESSCO apart from the other products in the same segment is pricing, the design.
Seen a lot of affordable products of different companies, but with this whole experience of service, on-time service, long-term warranty of 10 years, I think all this definitely sets it apart from its competitors.